gosh you. If you're watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the button to get updated. Here's what I've got for you. Here we go, okay? And today I'm going to guide you on how to enroll in a short course offered by University of the Philippines Open University through the massive open distance e-learning model. Okay, so I think the only school offering for this free course is the UPOU through their model, the massive open distance e-learning. So here we go. If you are interested to enroll and you want to receive a training certificate, then you are going to type this link, this website, model.upou.edu.ph. Okay, so I think you see that one. So here it is, and it's refreshing. And of course, you cannot enroll once you did not log in. So you are going to click login. So if you still did not register, so you're going to click login. Okay, but for me, since I already registered, so I have my account already here, you can see. But if you did not able to register, so first you are going to create a new account here, or forgot username password if you forgot. But it's a basic, you have to create new account here. So all the details needed, you should have to fill it up so that you will be accepted, you can get your account. So for me, I have already my username or the email, and I created my password. So I save it here, so therefore I can immediately log in. Okay, there you go. So this is it. So I already enrolled a few courses before, and it's here in my dashboard, courses dashboard, and you can see my name is very big here. So if you're the first time or the beginner, you cannot enroll these courses, but you can see on the readiness module. So I'm going to show you for a while. I'm going to show you how to enroll for a while. Okay, so once you log in, you created already your account. So you have this already my courses, and then you're going to scroll down so that you can see the courses offered for this semester, or for this trimester, or for this month, because all the courses here have their own span of time on when you're going to finish the courses. For example, here there are so many courses here, but you cannot enroll these courses. You cannot immediately enroll unless, if you are a beginner, you have to get your badge first through the DE readiness module. This is the DE readiness module. So if you are a beginner, you have to take the DE readiness module. You cannot take all these courses once you did not finish to take this one. DE readiness module is the foundation, or this is your admission ticket. Once you pass this one, you will be given a badge which you can use to enroll in any courses offered here. Check your account. I will check mine here. Wait for a while. Showing that these four here is still not enrolled, only the readiness module. So once I took the DE readiness module and I finish it, it will show here 100%. That means you finish the two line items, or the two activities. So once you are going to check on your account, see, they already put the badge here, DE readiness badge. Okay, so that means that if you have this badge, you are allowed to enroll. You are allowed to enroll in any course offered in this model. So I already enrolled here. Firstly, if you can see here, it's the first I enrolled the readiness module. After that, I enrolled the module 2 legal ingredients, but this one I did not able to finish. I will be taking this one if it still be offered soon. Certificate introduction for technology for teaching and learning. So I already enrolled this and I finished it. Certificate for social entrepreneurship. This one I will give you the example of the certificate that has been given to me after that I took this short course, and this is my favorite course also. Then certificate for ODEL 101, Introduction to ODEL 2. So this one, I already took this one. The only course that I did not finish is the Module 2 of Legal Ingredients. So this one I did not finish to take. And hopefully I can finish it if still they are going to offer. I don't know when. Okay, so that's why you are going to make sure that if you are going to choose the course that you want to take, you have to finish it because not offered often. Okay, not oftentimes they offer this course. So that's why you are going to take it and finish it in accordance to the date given or the span of time given in that module offered. Okay, so that's it. So I guess you will to get excited if you're going to try to enroll yourself here. Okay, so yeah, so now if you're going to open your if you're going to open the website now, there are so many courses offered. See, if you're there are module for assuring, module one, module two, the course package, social entrepreneurship. See, social. I took already the social entrepreneurship. So if you're going to enroll, you are going to click this one. If you're interested to take this one, this course is currently unavailable to students. So that means unavailable to students. That means this course already finished. So you cannot take this course. Ah, yes, yes. So it's August 10 to September 14. So it's been taken down from this. Uh, so we are going to try to September 24. It's already done. September 24. There is no other. Okay, this one. For example, this one coming soon. Planning programs on child rights protection. If you're interested to take this kind of short course, so you're going and you already done your DA readiness module. So what we're going to do is to just delete this one since it's 20th September to October 26th. So that means this is still not started. Okay, they will start. This course will start by September 28th until 26th of October. So this is almost 1 month. Okay, so if we are going to enroll this one, since we have already the badge, click this course. See, so you will be redirected to the enrollment options. I mean, this one and the description of the course. You will know the teacher for this one or the instructor for this one, and there's the date offering, and here self-enrollment student enroll me. So since I'm not for now I'm not going to take this course, maybe I have to wait for other courses to be offered from this website. So I want to take enroll me. If this enroll me will be shown if you have already the badge. If you don't have the badge, you cannot see this enroll me, or there is no button shown here in this side if you still don't have a badge. So if you have already a badge, it will show here enroll me, and you are going to click this one so that you will be enrolled. Okay, so if you're already enrolled this one, there are details, there are instructions that you are going to follow so that you can take this course. Okay, so make sure that from September 28th you are going to monitor, you are going to open this website, this account that you created, and so that you can be guided and you can attend sessions and the forums, discussion forums in this course. Okay, so we're not going to deal with it. I think this will help you guide on how to enroll for the beginners and how to enroll in model or massive online distance e-learning offered by UPOU or the UP Open University. Okay, so I guess the only school in the Philippines that is offering this kind of free short courses is the University of the Philippines Open University. I don't know the other school if they are offering this kind of short courses for free, absolutely free. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you will start to find your course from this website and start enrolling so that you will have this knowledge and try how the online learning will work for you. Okay, thank you for your time. God bless.